Good morning, students. Welcome to our science class. Today in a class, we are going to learn about in a physics lesson 1 measurement continuation of the last week. Learning objectives. Today in a class, what are things we are going to study means what is fundamental quantities. We are studied already, but recall about that in a 4 things in detailed manner and unit prefixes and rules and conventions for writing SI units and their symbols. So among that in a fundamental units, the first one is in a length. Okay, length is the extent of something between 2 points. For example, we are measuring in a pencil tip and that in a pencil backside. Okay, this is a 2 points. So 2 points in between the distance only we called as in a length. Okay, its SI unit is a meter. 1 meter is the distance between that in a light through vacuum is 1 by that is 29 core 97 lakhs and 92,458 second. Among the divider means we are getting that 1 second நம்ம இவ்வளோ டைம் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னா அதில் என்ன வேல்யூ கிடைக்குதோ that is only we called as in a 1 meter. So it's in a unit for larger distance, astronomical unit. Light year, parsec. This is all those things you are studied in that in a 6th standard onwards. So we recall that in a one more time. What is astronomical unit? In that is in the center of the distance between that in a center of the sun to that in a center of earth. That is we called as an astronomical unit. One astronomical unit equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Okay, so next one is a light year. Light year means the distance traveled by a light in 1 year. Okay, 1 year in vacuum. Vacuum means empty place. So in an empty place without air medium also it is present. During that condition, distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay, so that is we called as in a light year. So it's equal to that in a 9.49 into 10 power of 15 meter. Okay, so it is distance between that in a Earth and Mars and Earth and Jupiter and Earth and Saturn it is given here. The next one is parsec. Parsec is a unit of distance used to measure astronomical object outside the solar system. Okay, so what are the astronomical objects is there? That is a star, very familiar is a star. Any other galaxies likewise. Yes, Rama. So outside that in a solar system, distance between that in a measure of the astronomical object, we are using that in a parsec. So nearest star of in Alpha Centauri is about 1.34 parsec from that in a sun. Okay, and the most are visible to that in unaided eye in a night sky or within a 500 parsec distance. ஸோ நம்ம நார்மல் கண்ணால் பார்க்குறது எவ்வளோ பேசாக்கில் ஸ்டார் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா 500 பேசாக் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் வந்து ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஓகே, தென் லார்ஜர் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் தட் இஸ் இன் கிலோமீட்டர் 10 power 3 meter. Astronomical unit 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Light year, that is LY 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Parsec 3.08 into 10 power 8 meter. Okay, for smaller unit, what the purpose we are using that in a smaller unit? In between the atom distance and molecule distance, likewise we have to study during the time smaller distance we are measuring that. That is mostly we are using that in a Armstrong unit. Okay, so that is in a Fermi 10 power minus 15 meter. Armstrong 10 power 10 meter. Nanometer, that is in a nm 10 power minus 19 m. Fermi for we are using that in a small letter f. Armstrong for we are using as in a above lightly put that in a degree like that in a symbol. And micron, micrometer, that is 10 power minus 6 m. இதை வந்து ரிவர் யூ மாதிரி போட்டு சைடில் கீழே இழுத்து விடுவோம். ஸோ அதை மைக்ரான் நேம் பண்ணுவோம். அண்ட் தென் millimeter that is in mm, you know that 10 power minus 3 meter, centimeter 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay, this is a very small unit. So next one we are going to study about in a mass. Next fundamental, it is one of the fundamental unit. Fundamental unit means we are not able to measure in any other unit. Okay, that is mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. What is the quantity inside having in that in a matter, that is only we called as in a mass. Okay, so its unit is a kilogram. Okay, so units in a units we are able to express as in a sub multiplies. For in a sub multiplies na adhik division la nama use பண்ணுவோம். That is in a gram and milligram. Likewise that is quintal and metric ton we are multiply, we are using that. Okay, atomic mass unit, it is also one of the unit. Mass of proton, neutron and electron can be determined using that in astronomical mass unit. Okay, so one atomic mass unit equal to, அதாவது கார்பனோட ஆட்டம், இதுக்கு ஜஸ்ட் கம்பேரிசன் ஒன்லி. ஸோ கார்பன் அண்ட் ஆட்டத்தில் எடுந்து நம்ம வந்து கம்பேர் பண்ணுறோம், இதை விட கூட இருக்கா கம்மியாக இருக்கா அப்படின்னு கம்பேர் பண்ணுறோம். தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் யூனிட். எப்படி ஒரு தராசில் நம்ம ஒரு சைடு வந்து வெயிட்டை வச்சுட்டு இன்னொரு சைடு நம்ம மெஷர் பண்ணுறோமோ, அதே மாதிரி இந்த சைடு ஒரு சைடு கார்பன் வச்சுட்டு இன்னொரு சைடு அதுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கா கூட இருக்கா கம்மியாக இருக்கா மெஷர் பண்ணுறோம். தட்ஸ் ஒன்லி அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் யூனிட். ஸோ இன்னொரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் உனக்கு சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா, மோர் டு நோ இட் இஸ் ஹேவிங் தட் வாட்டருக்கு மட்டும் என்ன கெப்பாசிட்டி இருக்குது அப்படின்னா, அதோட எம்எலும் கிராமும் சேமாக இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி லிட்டரும் கேஜியும் சேமாக இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1 milliliter எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா அதில் 1 gram ஆஃப் வாட்டர் ப்ரெசன்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ லைக் வைஸ் 1 liter of water we are taking means it is having in a 1 kg of water. Okay, so but it is in other liquids it is having in a density as in a vary, so it is not suited for all the liquids, but water only it is having that in a character. So next fundamental unit is a time. So time is one of the fundamental unit. It is measure of duration of event and interval between that. Okay, how much duration having that in a interval, that is only we mention as in a time. Its unit is a second. What's the unit? Its unit is a second. Okay, so 1 second means what it is, time required for a light propagate. The same thing, 29 crore 97,000 lakhs 92,458 meter through vacuum. So that is only we called as a 1 second. And then larger unit, what are the large unit we are using that in a time means day, month, year, millennium. So all it is 1 millennium means what it is, 3.16 into 10 power of 9 seconds. That is only we called as 1 millennium. So next one is what means temperature. Okay, so temperature means what it is, temperature actually it measures that in a hotness or coldness of a body. The matter is in a hot or cold, it is measured means that is only we called as a temperature. Okay, so likewise that is we are using that in a degree Celsius, and then degree Fahrenheit likewise we are using, but Fahrenheit likewise you are using, but standard SI unit is a Kelvin only. What is the SI unit of temperature ma? It's a Kelvin only. Okay, so one more, 0 Kelvin is the absolute zero. We are calculate as a 0. For example 0 degree Celsius நம்ம calculate பண்ணாலும் இதில் ஒன்றால் பார்க்க முடியும். 0 degree Celsius அப்படின்னாலும் அதில் வந்து 293.17 அதுக்கு நேராக உள்ளதை பாருங்கள், 293.73.15 கெல்வின் டெம்பரேச்சர் வந்து அதில் இருக்குன்னு தான் அர்த்தம். ஸோ அப்போ 0 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ்னால் என்னென்னா, 0 டிகிரி கெல்வினா என்னென்னா minus 200 and 0 degree Kelvin it is 0 degree Kelvin means what it is now minus 273 degree Celsius. ஸோ இதுதான் அப்சல்யூட் ஜீரோ அப்படின்னு நம்ம கால் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ தான் ஒரு பர்சன் கூட என்ன இருக்காதுன்னா டெம்பரேச்சர் இருக்காது. So next one we are going to study about that in a unit prefixes. So unit prefixes means unit before we are using that in a some prefixes. ஓகே, ஸோ முன்னாடி சில வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஆட் பண்ணுறோம், அதோட அமௌண்ட்டை மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்காண்டி தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி வி கால்ட் அஸ் அ யூனிட் ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸஸ். யூனிட் ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸஸ் ஆர் சிம்பிள்ஸ், okay, placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of the magnitude of a quantity. okay, ஒரு குவான்டிட்டினா நம்ம அளவோட நம்ம நம்பரை மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறப்ப அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற சம் சிம்பிள்ஸ் தான் என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் அ யூனிட் ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸஸ். okay, for example we are using in a meter before, meter only as a unit, meter before we are using a kilo means what it is in a 1000. okay, 1000 we are mentioned as in a kilo. So likewise we are using that in a kilometer. okay ma, then look at that here, you see from that in a center onwards, that is in a 10 power 0 means that is a basic unit 1. 10 down you see that is in a positive and a negative symbol is there in a power. So positive symbol means it is in a increase in a number, but negative sign it is in a power having means it is in a decrease in a number. So that only it is given there. So you look at that in a 10 power 1 means that in a deca, that is a 10 only. 10 power 2 means hectare, that is we are mentioned as in a h. 10 power 3 means kilo, that is in a kg. 10 power 4 means that is in a mega, capital letter M. 10 power 9 means giga, that is a capital letter G. 10 power 12 means tera, that is a capital letter T. 10 power 15 means peta, that is a capital letter P. 10 power 18 means exa, that is a capital letter E. Likewise 10 power minus 1 means that is a deci, 0.1 small letter D, we are using a symbol small letter D. And 10 power minus 2 means cendi, that is at 0.01, but we are using that in a small letter C. 10 power minus 3 means milli, 0.001, that is a milli, small letter symbol M we are using. 10 power minus 6, that is a micro, likewise we are using 10 power minus 6, point அப்புறம் 6 digit வந்து இருக்கணும். So likewise we are micro means 10 power minus 6, nano means 10 power minus 9, and then pico means 10 power minus 12, femto means 10 power minus 15, atta means 10 power 18. likewise we are using that. So why we are using likewise means அந்த பவர் வந்து இதில் மென்ஷன் என்னால் பண்ண முடியல, ஸோ அதனால் ஐ எம் யூஸிங் அ பவர் ஆஃப் வேர்டு. ஓகே, ஸோ டயாமீட்டர் ஆஃப் நியூக்ளியஸ், ஒரு நியூக்ளியஸ் எடுக்கிறோம், இட் இஸ் a very 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 small object. So how we are able to measure 10 power of minus 15 kilogram. okay, likewise in a distance between the two stars, that is a very very large distance, how we are able to measure 10 power 26 kilogram. okay, positive negative it is mentioned as a larger or smaller. likewise mass of electron it is in a 9.11 into 10 power of minus 31 kg. okay, likewise mass of Milky Way galaxy 2.2 into 10 power of 41 kg. So rules and conventions for writing SI units and their symbols. okay, how we are using that? For example, any scientist name we are keep it as in a unit means the first letter we want to written as in a small letter, Newton, Henry, Ampere, Watt. likewise we are using as in a symbol for that in a unit. Newton means N only we want to use capital letter M, not a small letter M. Henry for H, A for Ampere, W for Watt. okay, likewise we are using that. Then meter for we are M for meter, small letter M. likewise kg for we are using that in a kilogram for we are using a kg. okay, then next one we are going to say read that in a any full stop and other punctuation marks will never be used that. Okay, so why never be used? That means because that is a magnitude number, and after it is coming as in a meter kaduthu full stop வைக்க கூடாது. Okay, yeah, that's only it is, don't use that in a full stop. The next one is the symbols of a units are not expressed in a plural form. So already we are number only, it is want to be mentioned as in a how much it is mentioned. So don't use it as in a yes, that is a plural form. Kgs likewise don't use, 10 kg likewise only want to use. And then Kelvin nearby, it's not coming in a degree Celsius only it is want to be coming in a degree, but Kelvin க்கு வந்து நம்ம degree use பண்ணக்கூடாது. So likewise only that is in a 283 Kelvin only we want to use. Likewise 15 gram, the magnitude and that in a unit, both it is in between, we want to leave a space. Okay, that's a compulsory for you. And ampere means we have it, ampere is one of the scientist name. Okay, yeah. So we are, you have to use means we are using that in a first letter in a capital letter only, but we never be used it as in a amp. அதாவது நம்ம வாட்டுக்கு ஒரு ஷார்ட் ஃபார்ம் எடுக்கணுங்கிறதுக்காண்டி ஒரு 3 லெட்டரை ஜாயின் பண்ணி நம்மளாக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகேயா, ஸோ அவங்க என்ன மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்களோ அதை தான் எஸ்ஐ யூனிட்டில் என்ன சிம்பிள்ஸ் மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்களோ தட் சேம் திங் ஒன்லி வி வாண்ட் டு யூஸ். Okay, so and then for example 5-digit number is there na, 5-digit number you will never be use it. Okay, for example mercury, it is having that in a 13,600 and what it is kilogram meter power -3. So we don't use likewise, because we want to use it as a 1-digit number likewise only. We want to use 1.36 into 10 power 4. Okay, 4-digit, after we put that in a point, after we have to use that in a short form only. Okay, the last point, it is use of solidus is recommended for indicator division of a 1 unit point symbol by another unit symbol, not more than 1 solidus is unit. அதாவது இப்போ வந்து சாலிடஸ்னால் ஒன்றும் இல்லைம்மா, அதுக்கு கீழே பை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, யூ வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் மீன்ஸ் வி வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் 13 solidus only. Solidus one, that is in a both that only we want to put it as in a bar. Okay, one time means it is we are able possible to use, but more than one time we don't use it as in a by symbol. Okay, that's only it is mentioned. So one more time recall that today in a class fundamental units and an explanation and unit prefixes and rules and convention for in a writing SI units and the symbols we are used. Okay, we are studied today. So do the worksheet in a neat manner. Thank you.